Hi guys, this is Desmond coming to you with another technical breakdown. Welcome to the beginning of another trading week. I'm going to go over cable and also look at dollar yen as well. If we look at cable coming into this week, on Friday we had the bank holiday and we also had the Independence Day weekend sort of celebrations. So we were expecting sort of limited trading on Friday, with the US market being closed. What we can see here on the 4-hourly time frame is that price, just hovered around this sort of support zone that we highlighted between 124.40 to around 124.60. Now we did see some selling pressure come in after Chancellor Merkel made some comments in regarding to a no Brexit deal and stated that they are prepared for a no Brexit deal. We did see some selling pressure come into the market, seeing some very small bodied candles, some indecision, and then price has now started to move out of this zone. If we break down to the hourly chart, what we can see here, price finding some support and starting to break the most recent high around 124.86, now starting to an attempt to move higher. Now key levels for today, I believe, will be R2, which also ties in with R1 from Thursday around 125.24. We also have this zone up above, this hourly zone between 125.44 to around 125.33. This also is a key level of resistance to be watched closely. Now, looking at support, we have this zone, of course, that we've already highlighted. It's also important to note that we have S1 also tying in with this zone, just giving this level a lot more sort of confluence for the day. If we bring on the moving averages, you can currently see the price is above all moving averages, sort of indicating a more sort of bullish tone in markets at present. Now, if we move on to look at dollar yen, what we can see on the hourly time frame is that price has been moving between this 4-hourly zone last week. 1st of July, we're seeing this strong bearish engulfing candle, breaking lower out of this zone. We're seeing, sellers step in, price finding support at this previous level of resistance between 107.37 to 107.33. Seeing some support here, buyers step in, and this is the sort of Friday price action. We're seeing very limited trading volume, and we're currently seeing price, moving higher coming into this hourly zone. Now, if price does break above this hourly zone, then the next key level will be an attempt for buyers to, push prices back into this region. You can currently see the price is above both moving averages. If we bring on the pivot points, seeing the pivot points very much constrained coming into today after Friday's, very low trading volume and lack of volatility in the market. So we're seeing the pivot points very much all sort of bunched up together. We do have price rejecting R3 and currently sitting above R2. Key levels of support will remain this sort of level in here on 107.45, followed by 107.37. So that's going to be it from me, guys. Do have a great trading day. Thank you.